Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Creating a restore point protects your system before you make major changes. It saves system files and settings so you can roll back reliably. You must use an administrator account to create restore points on Windows. Ensure your C drive has at least 300 MB free for the snapshot. Turn on system protection if it is disabled in system settings. Regularly create restore points before updates, driver installs, or large software changes. Open Control Panel and search Recovery to access System Restore settings. Click Configure System Restore or Open System Protection to view protection options. Select your system drive, usually C, and click Configure to enable protection. Turn on System Protection and set a maximum disk usage percentage like 5 to 10%. Click Create to make a manual restore point and type a descriptive name with the date. Wait until the snapshot completes, then close the window and verify the new entry in the list. Open System Restore to view available restore points and their creation dates. Select a restore point that predates the problem you are troubleshooting. Click Next and follow prompts to confirm the restore operation and restart if required. After the restore completes, Windows reports success or failure and reboots automatically. Consider increasing system protection disk usage to keep more restore points available. Optionally, create a scheduled task to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.